Welcome to the installation instruction of the ENG Smart Charging Controller. In this video, we will guide you through the standard installation process step by step while opting for a segregated network. This installation requires the following components: the ENG controller, a network switch, a 4G modem or router, which, when obtained from us, will be delivered with a SIM card, an energy meter with accompanying CT coils that can also be purchased pre-configured from the Last Mile Solutions webshop, and last but not least, of course, the EV chargers on site. When charging the installation, we recommend that you de-energize the installation, disconnect the voltage by use of the main switch, and check the possible presence of voltage by use of a voltage tester. We will start by installing the energy meter. This is installed to measure the total energy consumption of the building. Firmly attach the energy meter to the DIN rail in the fuse box cupboard. Place the CT clamp across the primary phase cable. Caution: the arrows of the clamps must point towards the direction of the load and connect them to the appropriate input on the energy meter, bearing in mind that the black cable must be installed on the left-hand side. Repeat this step for the other phase cables. Correctly connect the power cables to the energy meter to guarantee proper measurement. Also, pay special attention to the phase orientation here. Install the ENG controller in the fuse box cupboard. Ensure sufficient space and connect the controller to the power supply. Connect the energy meter to the ENG controller via the RS485 ports and place a 120 ohm resistor on the energy meter to seal the bush. Close the distribution box and connect the power. The energy meter is now operational. Install the 4G router and the network switch and interconnect them. Subsequently, connect the ENG controller and the network cables of the EV chargers to the network switch. Wait a few minutes for the ENG controller to get online. During the final step, we will check whether the installation is operative. Log in to the ENG Manager to check whether the installation is functioning correctly. Check that the ENG is online. If the installation was done correctly, the following image will show. If the installation was not performed correctly, the interface will turn orange. Subsequently, check the energy meter. If the energy meter was not connected correctly, it will turn red. Finally, you check that the values correspond with the direction of the current. The ENG installation is now completed. You can now proceed to connecting the EV charger and setting the smart charging network. In order to connect the EV chargers to ENG, you update the settings of the ChargePoint's back office. Bear in mind that the name and location of this setting may differ per supplier. Update the back office URL to ws:/edge.lan. Consult the knowledge base for additional information. The connection with the EV chargers will become visible once the configuration has been saved. Check the knowledge base for additional information about the smart grid configuration. You can also purchase the Edge and accessories here. We offer the option to supply the set pre-assembled, so you can start working on it immediately.